What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Last time I looked at NIO was July 26th, so let's see what the price was that time. You see that it was trading right around the low $4 level, the 430s, and then we saw continuation to the downside. Why did we see continuation to the downside? Because there are more aggressive sellers in the market than aggressive buyers that want to drop down that price. There's a bearish momentum in play. There's a bearish imbalance. You can see how price is still below this trend line right here. You could even clone this and make a channel, two parallel lines, so you can see how well it's fitting on the bottom. So we have basically a downward trend in play. You can see that was a high, a high, lower high, lower high, lower low. So just price is continuing to stair step its way down. We are at prior support, so you can see that price bounced, or it's stalling out at the same price level that it bounced from in the past, back here in April at the 367. So it's acting as temporary support. We'll see if we can reverse price like it did back over here in April, but now it's fighting this downward momentum once again. So we'll see what happens. But as right now, it's still bearish. I mean, short term, it's a little indecisive because we're stalling at the support level. We could possibly see a bounce back up to the low fours, but there's a good chance we'll see continuation from there, or we don't even bounce up that high and we just see price drop down lower. So those are the two most likely situations to occur. I don't expect price to just rally strongly out of here. If it does, that's fine. We just want to see price correct small or have a small correction, and that can lead to another impulse higher. So something like that. So let me take a look at the measure move targets currently in play. We have this leg right here. You move that down, that takes price to the 336, and then even I think these two legs right here, that takes price right around again, the low threes would be the next likely target for price to reach. So either way, it's still very bearish on the chart. I don't see anything bullish besides that support and that we're a little bit overextended. So short term, we could probably see a little bounce up higher due to the support and the overextension from the EMA, but that's not that bullish, long term. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Take a look at the weekly chart. You can see that price has been going down for quite a long time now, basically since January of 2021. Next year, January, will be 4 years of a bear market. It's just coming back down to where it was. So a lot of times when you see price move up higher and it starts coming back down, a lot of times it'll come back right to this starting point. So that's what it's doing. It's coming back down to these prior levels right here. If this is where price was consolidating in the past, there's a good chance we could see price consolidate at the same level in the future. And this was right around, fluctuating between the mid $1 level and the mid $4 level, kind of what we're almost getting right now. So again, we're just kind of back to where we were, square one. The price overall still bearish. You can barely get above the EMA. You can see that it barely gets above the EMA and fails immediately, this blue line, and price just continues to trend down lower and lower. So expectation is lower prices, most likely low threes, and then maybe even eventually sub $2 level. We'll see what happens. But as right now, that's all I see for NIO on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.